everyone, it's Morgan Yates, and as I announced in my last video, it was a Q&A if you haven't seen it, talking about a bunch of life updates, things like that, but I officially announced, even though I feel like it was obvious from vlogs and stuff, that I am moving out of this house that I love so much very shortly, sooner than you'd probably think. Actually, my lease at my new place has already started. If you want to see more of where I'll be living, you can find that in a vlog going up on my vlog channel. Maybe it will be up by now. But as to be expected, I am downsizing in space at my new place I'm gonna be living. Successfully found a place that all of my furniture should hopefully fit. But in terms of especially like closet storage, just like random junk I feel like I hold on to, like party supplies and like things I just like keep that I think like maybe I'll reuse in the future. I don't really have, and like even like holiday decor, we need to go through of that. I just feel like I hold on to so much stuff that just because there was room for it here, and there's not room in the new house. So welcome to the biggest moving clean out ever. I'll be moving here in like 2-3 weeks. So I'm also hoping that like with cleaning all of it out, it's gonna make packing just like super simple when it comes time to throw everything in boxes. So if you're new to my channel, I would love if you would subscribe and turn on those notifications. That helps my channel a lot. We're gonna have a lot more home content coming up here soon. And I also want to thank American Giant for sponsoring this video. You'll see me wearing them throughout this video, but I'll talk a little bit more about them later. First up, let's do an overview. Things in general aren't the cleanest at the moment because I just got back from a trip. It's so sunny in here. I need to unpack. I need to do like clean outs of just like, I have just like junk in my nightstands and in this whole dresser. This doesn't actually even hold any clothes because my closet's so big here. This I think is like a tech drawer, super unorganized, like everything in these, yeah, okay. They're all just clutter, like there's never been any organization. And then also in my closet, it's getting a little hard to walk around in here because I've started like saving boxes. Things have gotten chaotic in here. I feel like this is always what happens when I travel. I would just throw everything in my closet because that way my room seems pretty clean, which is where I spend my time. But the bigger issue here that we're cleaning out is just all of the clothes and all of the shoes. And I have like a bunch of storage bins up here. I don't reach for literally ever, so I have no idea what is up there. Just switched in to one of my American Giant outfits. If you're not familiar with them, they're a brand that creates really high quality, like durable, like these are just such good quality. They make clothing basics and they just came out with their everyday collection. So it's a loungewear collection, perfect for being comfy around the house, perfect for fall. And I just got a few items from them, starting with their just basic crew neck. This is in the color Ice. I think it's super cute, and I'm wearing it with these straight sweatpants that I didn't expect to be a fan of just because I normally don't like, not that these are flare, but I don't like straight leg things normally. But these are actually my favorite sweatpants I got. I got a size medium in all of the bottoms. This actually isn't the exact same shade. They're in the color minimal gray, but I think they match pretty perfectly. So I just think this is such a cute loungewear set. And then for a few more items, I got their vintage sweatpant. This is in the color Ice, which is the same as my crew neck. They're very lightweight sweatpants, so these are good for like out and about, like a whole daytime fit. You're not gonna get too hot. The bottom looks like this. And then in black, I picked up their classic zip up hoodie. All of my tops I got in a large just for a cozier fit, and then all the bottoms I got in a medium. It's just a little zip up hoodie. We have pockets in the front. My left hand is not coordinated enough for this, and this one is very thick, like will keep you warm for sure. And then I would just wear that with their joggers. We have a little drawstring waist, and then kind of a thicker ankle band here. And then lastly, I just got their classic pullover in the shade Oxford Blue. So this is more of like a traditional hoodie since it doesn't zip up, big pockets. Again, just like super cozy, so thick. All of these are just like, again, really durable, really well made. I'm kind of newly familiar to American Giant, and I'm just really impressed with the comfort and the quality. And you can also read on their website about all the great things they do for the communities around them. So we love a company with a great cause. So they're also offering 15% off to new customers. So any of you guys who want to check them out, I will have the code on screen and in the description box, as well as all of these items linked below. So that's what you'll see me wearing throughout this video. Thank you so much again to them for sponsoring this. And I think my first cleaning task is actually gonna be the downstairs, like under the stairs closet. That is just, me and all my roommates have so much stuff under there. I have to like dig through and figure out what's mine. But I know mostly what I have under there is just holiday decor. All right, so this is the closet that I speak of. In here, as I said, lots of holiday decor. A lot's already out. I think someone has their suitcases in here and they were digging them out. But somewhere there's a light I have to get to. This is a pretty big closet, and I know I have holiday decor and just like leftover decor from like dating back to like my Catch birthday event here. Just like all of our at-home stuff. I have a lot of things in here from. And I've always just kept it stored in these boxes from like when I ordered the stuff or like moved or whatever. So yesterday I actually had some of these delivered, and I'm gonna try to go through, clean out, consolidate, and hopefully organize things in like actual durable bins, and then I can use these boxes for moving. So let's get started. I just remembered too that I have this piece of furniture that has other stuff just jammed into it, so I need to go through it. categorize these bins. We'll start with like a Christmas one and a fall one and go from there. Update, we've dug all of my stuff out. It's looking like I need to get another container for Christmas stuff, but we have 2 filled all the way up. We have 1 full of Halloween. This is more like fall decor, just a bunch of pumpkins and stuff. So we're gonna see what else I end up putting up in this one. This is our overflow Christmas stuff, some donations, some other stuff I need to pack up, and then we are accumulating moving boxes, so that's good. And then I'm trying to sell this Christmas tree I don't use, but I'm gonna be moving this like bigger Christmas tree. I'm gonna try to sell like some wreaths and stuff that I didn't use this past year. We crashed a little after that last one. Picking it back up. Next up, because I think I'm gonna go in order of tasks that I am like least looking forward to, I'm gonna now go through this dresser. So this is gonna be one of those things that gets a lot worse before it gets better. When I moved into this house, previously my last place, this had clothes in it, so I took the clothes out and then stuff got shoved in here that like I had moved here that I didn't know where to put it. So for the entire time that I've been here, this has made no sense. My next place is probably gonna be used for clothes again though. It's also the first day that pumpkin is back at Starbucks, so we got the pumpkin cream cold brew. Here we have historical artifacts from the pandemic. Something I picked up at one point was knitting. So I don't think I need this. Every now and then it's therapeutic. A vision board. These middle 2 drawers are mostly tech stuff. The top ones and the bottom ones are my like junk drawers, like craft stuff, like books I need to realistically like sell probably. Or thought at one point in time it would be a cute idea to like hold on to all of my books, so that one day when I like have a house, I can have like a cute little like library nook or something. However, realistically, I don't read, so I don't think we'll ever get there. I think I'm just gonna take everything out of these and then we'll go from there. Okay, so everything that was in those 4 drawers has been cleaned out. We have some trash donations, and then basically I need to figure out in my new place kind of some organizational systems for like keeping craft stuff in one place. I have like some office-y things, but my mini desk that I'll be moving, because I'm gonna have a 2nd bedroom in the new place, so there's gonna be like a little, I don't know, desk area in there or whatever. It's gonna be kind of a multi-purpose space, not just an office, but this little desk I got for this house doesn't have any drawers, which I don't really need. I don't know, we'll figure it out. I have some random decor things. I have some books back there, some things I need to put in like a little memory box thing I have in my closet. Oh, that took so long. Now for the dreaded tech drawers.
I'll answer as quickly as I can.
From the last time I moved in my schedule. Wow. I guess I'm just gonna keep these boxes sitting here for when I pack. These are from like the under the stairs stuff, but things in here are now organized by category. Like these drawers were overflowing. It's just gonna be a lot easier. Up here we have like office craft stuff, like nothing down here. Just like random decor. Oh, I need to put these masks in here. But I don't know if this seems like this was a lot of progress, but like, trust me, it was. I've had no idea what has been in here for like the whole time I've lived here. It's been impossible to access anything, and so we've cleaned a lot out, and that's gonna be like super easy to just pack by category and unpack when I move so that this can be restored to clothing usage. Next, I think I need to do the nightstands, but I think I'm gonna dip my toes into the closet. I need to fold up this laundry. It's just like, where do I put the boxes until it becomes time to pack them up, you know? But I think the next thing I'm gonna go through, because I know it's gonna require a lot of clean out, are these little thingies here at the top. So I guess I will just get those down after I can dig a pathway. All right, we can now walk in. Everything is cleaned out. Starting to sort out some things that go or that are coming out of these bins, which are mostly just like party supplies, random house things I don't reach for. So I'm trying to categorize, figure out some kind of system here, and then I don't even know what's next. All right, I've taken down basically all of the matching bins from the top, and I'm just gonna take, I think, everything out of all of them and try to just categorize the things that are in here. Right off the bat, I see a lot of things that I don't even need, like this neon light I had at my last place that I've never used. We're making more progress, lots more donations, a couple more things I need to find a spot for, but everything else is now, that was in like all the bins filling up here, are now just in like these 4. You see extras over there. So I'm gonna get these final things straightened up, and then I'm gonna jump into a deep dive of the closet and just try not to overthink it. All right, it is hot out here, so I'm gonna try to make this quick, but my trunk is already full of donations that I've been needing to take for a long time and I haven't. I just decided I am gonna actually sell some stuff on Poshmark. I'm quickly gonna go through this, see if anything is like nice and sellable, and then everything else is gonna go in my trunk. These are more donations I just pulled out of my closet. And we're gonna actually get this taken off very soon. Effective. Most everything in here I'm not gonna sell. Okay, things are in a pretty good state. There's a bunch of stuff all over my room at the moment, but it's like by category, it makes sense to me. It's now time to go through my clothes, which you've seen me do on this channel. I just feel like so many times. Actually only like maybe once or twice only since I've moved in. Today, you know, I got the picture of my new closet in my mind, and so that's gonna be my motivation to really make some, you know, trim some items out of this. I'm just gonna try not to overthink it. I'm gonna put things in one pile that are gonna just go straight to donations, and then things that I'm gonna sell on my Poshmark, which I'll have my username on screen. I think it's morganyatesproductions, like Yates, I don't know, whatever. Items are gonna slowly be getting listed over there, so check it out. Let's just get started. First item. Starting to go through these drawers already, just from literally my like graphic tee and tank top section. In my sweatshirt section, I've already removed 40 items. Also removed like probably 20 bras and bralettes that are like, I'm just gonna donate those, but a lot of them are new, so that was stupid of me. I'm hitting a wall. I'm gonna continue this in my vlogs on my vlog channel, so stay tuned over there. Hopefully this was a fun little kickoff to decluttering and cleaning up. So again, I'm gonna have American Giant linked below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for my move coming up in a couple weeks, and I will see you guys in my next video.